Hello everyone, this is Dan. I'm in Shanghai, China right now, and today we are going to try something a little different. I'm going to order takeaway and eat it at home. This is for two reasons. Number one, because of the coronavirus, a lot of places are now closed or not offering dine-in option. And second, food takeaway and deliveries are extremely popular in China. And a lot of places only offer takeaway or deliveries. So it will be cool, really cool to show you guys what's the food takeaway and delivery places look like in Shanghai, China. So now let's try. So the first place we're going to try is something that may sound strange at first, but I mean, this is really tasty and this is very popular in China. There are thousands or maybe tens of thousands of these places selling duck neck and anything in the duck, you know, from the head to the neck, the collarbone, the intestines, the wings. So, I mean, you might love it, you might not, but it's worth checking it out and giving it a try. So I picked one of the most famous duck neck chain. This is called久久Y鸭脖. So their name always is something and duck neck. So this is just久久Y duck neck. So I'm going to put these on a plate and show you guys how they look like. So I just finished putting it on a plate. So all these has been simmered in their special broth for at least 2 hours and then cooled down. People usually eat them cold. And you can see here we have the chicken feet, two flavor, non-spicy and spicy, and the whole duck head, the whole duck head. And we have the duck neck, the duck collarbone, the duck tongue. You can actually see the tongue, duck wing. And I also got you guys some of the vegetarian options. Bamboo shoot, this is yellow thing. The type of bean curd, it's made of soybean. This is lotus root, and this is seaweed. Another type of bean curd, they call it soybean skin. There you have it. This is what we're gonna try today. Gloves. So you can just use your hand, grab them, and just bite into it. Let's try it. I think first we have to try the duck neck. Let's see. Duck neck. This is a pretty meaty duck neck, and you can definitely taste the broth, which is the soy sauce based broth, but it really has depth to it. And I ordered a spicy version, so it's a little bit spicy. It's pretty tasty. And if you have good teeth, you can do what I just did. Just put everything in your mouth and just chew on it. Even the bones, you can chew through it. It's pretty good. Next, let's see. I think we're going to try the head. This is the entire duck head. And this is sliced in half from the middle. And just bite into it. That was intense. So the duck head is not as easy to eat because of the skeleton, but the tissues inside, I think the duck brain and the thin layer of duck skin around the head, those were pretty tasty. You really taste the broth flavor, a little bit of organic flavor, but it's pretty good, pretty tasty. So next, let's try something a little normal. We'll try the chicken feet, 凤爪. If you ever try Cantonese dim sum, you probably had some of these before, but these are cooked differently and it's served cold. Wow, pretty good. It's served cold, so you get more of the gelatin-like texture. This is definitely sweeter than the head, bouncy gelatin-like tissues here. These are my favorite. I really like the texture. Next, I'm going to try the spicy flavor of the chicken feet. This is supposed to be nangmin and spicy. You can just see how much chili is on there. Actually, it's not spicy. It looks scary, but it's pretty mild. A little bit sour, a little bit sweet. Great, I love it. So next, let's try the duck wing. The duck wing is not as meaty as the chicken wing, but if you cook it right, it's going to be packed with flavors. This you can really taste the broth. It really has depth in it, and you can taste the Chinese herb that they use to simmer the duck wing. The texture is also pretty rich. You have this thin layer of skin that's a little bouncy. Then you have a little bit of a gelatin-like layer underneath it. Then you have the meat that's tender, but yet still a little chewy. Amazing. This is amazing. Let's move to the tongue. Whole duck tongue. I mean, I want to make fun of it, but I probably shouldn't. So don't play with your food, eat it. I don't think I ever had duck tongue before, so this will be my first. Wow, this is pretty good. The tongue is bouncy, so when you bite into it, you get the unique texture from the tongue. And also, the flavoring, the broth that they use to simmer this, it's pretty on point. I mean, I think this will go really well with a can of beer. So next, we have the collarbone. Collarbone of a duck. This is a meaty collarbone. And look at all these meat that's left on there. And the color just looks amazing. All right. Wow, you can really taste the meaty flavor of the duck that's been simmered in the secret broth. Pretty good. Oh, wow. Let's move on to the vegetarian option. First, I'm going to try lotus root. This is actually my favorite. Still my favorite. It's still crunchy. It's cooked just right. And it's soak up all these flavorful special secret sauce that I use. And you can see a little layer of chili on there. It just adds a kick to it. Wow. This is amazing. I mean, I have to say, this lotus root is better than the chicken feet. It's better than the duck. Next, we're gonna try soybean product, bean curd. It's really bouncy, soft and bouncy, and it's sweet. It's pretty good. Next, we're gonna try some bamboo shoot. This is also a very popular dish in China. People will eat it with porridge for breakfast, or just eat like this for snack. Wow, you can still taste the bamboo shoot flavor, and it's cooked just right. So it's still a little crunchy, but it's cooked through with a little bit of chili oil coating on top. Good. Just the way I like it. And here we have seaweed. This is also a very common and popular snack in China. I think the seaweed is a little mediocre. If you're into seaweed, it's not bad. So next, we're gonna try a different type of soybean product. This is certainly spicier than the other one. Actually, I prefer this over the sweet bean curd. Pretty good. This is pretty good. Spicy, savory, and little chewy, and you also get the soybean flavor that's sort of earthy. These are all cold dishes, so they're designed to be snack for any time of the day, any occasion. You can see people ordering them all the time throughout the day. So next time you're in China and you see one of these duck neck places, go give it a try. You're not gonna regret it. It's gonna be good. So that's it for today, guys. I will be trying more delicious takeout food for you guys. So if you like my video, please click the subscribe button. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.